Welcome. Today we will discuss surface areas and volumes. So far we have known the formulas for finding the LSA, TSA and volume of a prism. That means cube, cuboid, triangular pyramid and prism and cone. So here let us discuss from exercise 10.1 the second one, that is the total surface area of a cube is 1350 square meters. Find its volume. Let us discuss this question. So the total surface area of a cube is 1350 square meters. First of all, before solving this, we have to draw the cube. How to draw the cube? Just observe. First you should draw a square. And again draw one more square like this. Afterwards, join in the vertices. Like this. After that, write the TSA of a cube. So total surface or area of a cube, that is equal to 1350 square meters. This is given. We have to find out the volume. So write the volume. So volume is equal to question mark. And let us discuss the solvation. First of all, we should write the formula for the volume of a cube. So the volume of a cube is equal to a cube. This is the formula. So what is a? A means side. So we should find the side. If you know the side, then we can easily find the volume. So to find the side, what we require? Here total surface area of a cube is given. So from this we can extract the side. So the total surface area of a cube, so right here TSA is equal to 1350, and in this substitute the formula of TSA, total surface area, that is 6a square is equal to 1350, and by simplification we get a. So a square is equal to 1350, 6 is multiplying there, so when this comes to other side it will divide. 6 1s are 6 2s are 12, 1 remains, 1 5 15, 6 2s are 12 and 3 remains, 3 0 5. So a square is equal to 225, and to find a we have to send the square to another side, then it will become root 225, and a is equal to find the square root of 225, that is 15. So 15 meters is the side, and after deriving the side we can find the volume. So the volume is equal to a cube. In this substitute a is 15, so 15 into 15 into 15, so multiply 15 into 15 225, 225 into 15, so 15 5s are 75, 15 2s are 30 is 7, 37, 15 2s are 33, 33, 33 75, and we should write the units. The units for the volume is cubic, so cubic meters. How did we get this word cubic? Because a is multiplied 3 times, that means it's the units for a side is meters, so meters into meters into meters, so cubic meters. So from that we got, and we will discuss one more question, that is third one. Find the area of 4 walls. Just observe this third one. Find the area of 4 walls of a room. Assume that there are no doors or windows. If its length is 12 meters and breadth is 10 meters and height is 7.5 meters. So here find the area of 4 walls. So these 4 walls are supposed as lateral surface area of, here length, breadth and height, these three measurements are different, that is why this is called a cuboid. So, we should find out the lateral surface area of a cuboid, that is 2h of L plus B. So, by substituting these measurements in this equation, we will get the lateral surface area. And we should discuss the fourth one, that is the volume of a cube is 1200 square meter cubic meters, and the length is given, breadth is given, and we should find out the height. Yes, here this is direct one, cuboid, the volume is equal to, we can write the volume as LBH. So, in this we have to substitute the length, breadth, and we should find out height. So, to find the height we require volume, that volume is 1200, substitute in it. So, this will be volume 1200, L is 15 into breadth is 10 into H. So, to get H we have to send this 15 into 10 to another side, it will divide, by simplification we get the height. This is direct question. And we will discuss one more very interesting one, that is fifth one. Just observe, how does the total surface area of a box change if, the first one, each dimension is doubled. That means, suppose if the length is 2 meters, then it got doubled in the sense the new length will be 4 meters, and breadth is suppose 5 meters, then if it is doubled then it will be 10 meters, like that. So, if the each dimension is doubled, then what will be the effect on the total surface area of the box when compared to the previous one. So, we will discuss this first. So, this is about the cube or cuboid, anyone we can take. So, I would like to take the cuboid here, because each dimension is doubled. So, each dimension in the sense every dimension, that length, breadth and height. So, we will discuss first. So, let us take the cuboid, fifth one. First we should draw the cuboid. Every time whenever we see the figure, definitely we have to draw that first. Like this you have to draw two rectangles. Actually what we are doing here, we are showing the two dimensional figure as the three dimensional figure. Just join the corresponding vertices. So, it will be looking like the 3D figure, and suppose the length is L, breadth is B, height is H, then we should find out the total surface area here, because here that length and breadth, height are not changed, only in the beginning itself we are finding the total surface area TSA, that is equal to, what is the total surface area of a cuboid, that is 2 of LB plus BH plus LH. So, this is the total surface area of the cuboid with the measurements length, breadth and height. No, there is no change in the measurements. And now we have to take the length as 2L, because the measurements have been doubled. So, we will write here, if the measurements are doubled, then L is equal to 2L, B is equal to 2B and H is equal to 2H. Again we will find the total surface area. First we should write the formula first, that is 2 of LB plus BH plus LH. So, in this we have to substitute. Actually the new measurements are, instead of L we have to substitute 2L, instead of B we have to substitute 2B and H for 2H. So, 2 of L length is 2L, because it was doubled, 2L into 2B plus 2B into 2H plus 2L into 2H. So, simplify, 2 into 2 4, 4LB plus 4BH plus 4LH, and take 4 as common, then it will become 2 into 4 of LB plus BH plus LH, and write 4 into 2 of LB plus BH plus LH. Now this is equal to 4 into this 2 of LB plus BH plus LH is total surface area of the first one. That means we can suppose it as TSA1 and this is TSA2. So this is TS2 of LB plus BH plus LH can be taken as TSA1, 4 into TSA1. Here what happened, if the measurements are doubled, then the TSA will be 4 times to the previous TSA, and we can check the volume and we can check the lateral surface area also. Suppose if you want to take the cube, then you just observe that cube, and if the same is happened to the cylinder, from that also we can derive. And in this question itself we have one more, that is each dimension is tripled, then what will happen, it will be 9 times to the previous total surface area. So you have to do this one, and let us go through the sixth one, that is the base of a prism is triangular in shape. So this is a triangular shape, this is triangular prism, in the side 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters have been given. Find the volume of the prism if its height is 10 centimeters. Here we have to find the area of the triangle. Why? Because here we should find out the volume. So volume of the prism is equal to, first we should draw the figure, this is the sixth question. We should draw the triangular prism. This is a triangular prism. So we should write the, suppose this is a triangle, we will write the measurements L, that means actually it has 3 sides. So we can suppose the 3 sides as A, B and C. They are 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Just observe, actually these measurements are the measurements of a right triangle. How can I say that these measurements are belong to right triangle? Let us take the Pythagorean theorem. The square of the hypotenuse. If in a triangle, if the 3 measurements are given, first of all we have to suppose that the highest length is hypotenuse. So that is 5 square. Hypotenuse, that means highest length is 5. So its square is 5 square is equal to sum of the squares of 2 sides. So 3 square plus 4 square. If it is equated, if the total 2 values are equal, then we can say that these measurements are the measurements of the right triangle. 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 25 is equal to 25. Yes, both are equal. That is why we can say that these are the measurements of the right triangle. So let us draw the right triangle first. So this is 3 centimeters, this is 4, this is 5, because hypotenuse is the longest side, that is why only I have taken the highest measurement on hypotenuse. So this is a right triangle. So we can find the area of the triangle, that is area is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. So half into b 4 into height 3. So by simplification we get 6 square meters. So suppose if you don't know the measurements, or suppose if it is not the right triangle, then how should we find out? To find the area of the triangle, we have one Heron's formula, that is by using the Heron's formula we can find the area of the triangle when the three measurements are given, that is root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Here a comma b comma c are sides. I will write here a comma b comma c are sides. Then what is a? So what is s? So s is equal to perimeter of the triangle by 2, that means half of the perimeter. So by finding s we can find the area of the triangle. And here we should find out, actually in this question what should we have to find out? We have to find out the volume of the prism. So what is the formula for the volume of the prism? That is volume is equal to, volume of any prism is equal to area of the base into height. So in this formula we can substitute area of the base. So area is 6 into height. Height is 10 centimeters. So 6 into 10, that is equal to 60. So volume, the units were cubic centimeters. Actually here also we have to change. It is not square meters, this is square centimeters, because the measurements are in centimeters. So we can, in every time we have to write the measurements. Don't forget that. Yes. So like this we have to find out the volume of the triangular prism. And take the seventh one, a regular square pyramid. Actually this question is about the pyramid. Square pyramid is 3 meters height and the perimeter of its base is 16 meters, and find the volume of the pyramid. Yes. So this, in this question how to take? First we should draw the figure, regular square pyramid. So we have to draw the pyramid first. The base should be square, because in the question itself it is given like that. So we should draw the square first. Yes. Next we have to join all the vertices to one vertex. This is a square pyramid. So the base is in a square shape. So in the question the perimeter is given. Perimeter of its base is 16 meters. So we should write the perimeter first. So perimeter of the square is equal to 16 meters. So we should write the form, that is 4 into a is equal to 16. We have to find a. So a is equal to 16 by 4, that is equal to a is equal to 4 meters. And we got the side. And what should we have to find out? Find the volume of the pyramid. So first we should write the formula for the volume of the pyramid. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 into area of the base into height. So here in this question we don't know the area of the base. How to find out the area of the base? Base is in the square shape. So to get the area of the square we require side. Yes, here we got the side. A is equal to 4 meters. So we can find the area of the square. Is equal to side into side, that is equal to a is 4 into 4, that is equal to 16 square meters. Now we got the area of the base. Now we can write the volume. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 into area of the base is 16 into height. What is height? In the question itself it is given as the height is 3 meters. So in the beginning itself we have to write the height is equal to 3 meters. 3 get cancelled. This is 16 cubic meters is the volume of the pyramid. And let us take the 8th one. An Olympic swimming pool is in the shape of a cuboid of dimensions 50 meters long and 25 meters wide and 3 meters deep throughout. Here instead of height it is dug out. That is why instead of height we should take deep, that is 3 meters. So we should find out the volume, and after finding the volume, how many liters of water does it hold? Actually we will get the answer in cubic meters. We have to convert the cubic meters as liters. So to change the cubic meters as liters, 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters is given. So by simplification we get the volume in liters. So let us discuss that first. 8th one. It is about the cuboid. So draw the cuboid first. So length is equal to breadth. Instead of height we should take the deep, that is 50, 25, 3. 50, 25, 3. Find the volume, that is equal to LBH. Simplify. $50 into 75. So 3750 cubic meters, and we should find out the volume in liters. So 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. Then 3750 cubic meters is equal to how much? Just observe, for 1 cubic meter it is 1000, then 3750 cubic meters is equal to how much? It is more or less? More. So from these two values we should take the more first, more by less. Less is 1 into, here we have 1000. So the answer will be in liters, because in the we are finding the liters itself. That is why I have kept the question mark below the liters. So 3750 into 1000, it will become 3750 and 1 2 3 zeros. This is 37,50,000 liters. So like this we have to convert. Thank you.